wonderful show that was. Oh, it was so beautiful. And, of course, Ivor was so clever. It was lovely. Of course, I saw that show with Mary Ellis, you know, because Mary got the tickets. She was wonderful.
Dear, it struck me earlier this evening it was perhaps not a very wise idea to suggest we sing Novello tonight.
I think it's very nice.
No.
Why?
You know how upset you always become when you sing Ivor's music.
No, I don't.
Of course you do.
I don't, you know.
You do.
I don't. She's the one. It's not me. I don't get upset. Oh, no. You're the one who gets upset. Well, I mean, ever since the weather changed,
What's
you
the
went
weather got
with
to
it.
do with it?
Well, I mean, you've not been the same since.
No, no,
You've been playing on the black notes and in the cracks. We haven't had a decent tune out of you for weeks. But I feel the time is right for a revival of dear Olive Gilbert. She must be working the lights.
Do you think so? Very well, dear. But no tears.
Although you're far away, and life is sad and gray, I have a scheme, a dream to try. I'm thinking, dear, of you, and all you want to do when we're together, you and I. We'll gather lilacs in the spring again and walk together down an English lane until our hearts have learned to sing when you come home once more.
And in the evening by the firelight's glow.
Lights glow. I'll hold you close and never let you go.
Your eyes will tell me
Your
what I
eyes
want.
will tell me all I want to know. When you come home.
We'll gather lilacs in the spring again and walk together down an English lane until our hearts have learned to sing again when you come home once more. And in the evening by the firelight's glow. And never let you
go.
Your eyes will
All I Vanilla there, dear.